Hi, join me in this video as we walk around downtown San Jose. San Jose is the capital city of Costa Rica, and it is where most of the government offices are located here in the central area. This is Central Avenue, the main drag of downtown San Jose. It's a pedestrian mall, which you can walk, and it's probably a little bit under a mile to walk the whole distance. Here's some traveler opinions about the pedestrian walk in San Jose. It is the lifeblood of the city, so if you're looking to experience a little bit about daily life for San Jose residents, it's worth the walk. Thank you for watching.